Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. A potent instrument for creativity, problem solving, and personal development is imagination. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. You can do this by exploring new concepts, imagining other outcomes, and thinking outside the lines of what's actually possible. The procedures shown in this video will assist you in efficiently harnessing and using your imagination. 1. Create a tranquil atmosphere. Find a place that is calm and relaxing so that you can unwind and concentrate. When you're not stressed out or preoccupied, your imagination frequently runs more freely. 2. Set aside time. Set aside a particular period of time for creative endeavors. This could be done in shorter periods throughout the day or longer ones when you have more time. 3. Practice mindfulness. To clear your thoughts and be fully present in the moment. Practice mindfulness or meditation before engaging in imaginative thinking. You may find it easier to access your creativity as a result. 4. Read and investigate. You can be exposed to fresh viewpoints and ideas through reading books, articles, and interacting in a variety of media, which can inspire your imagination. 5. Ask, what if? Begin by posing straightforward queries like, what if things were different? Or, what if this was possible? Your imagination may be sparked by these open-ended questions. 6. Visualize. Close your eyes and attempt to vividly picture various situations or ideas. Make the mental imagery as real as you can by using all of your senses. 7. Sketch or doodle. Drawing or sketching might help you externalize your imagination if you have a creative bent. It's more important to articulate thoughts than to be skilled in the arts. 8. Freely write. You should keep a notebook or digital document where you can record your imaginative ideas, scenarios, and thoughts. Allow yourself to think without stopping. 9. Brainstorm. Take part in sessions where you come up with as many ideas as you can without initially censoring them. The most creative solutions occasionally result from an unstructured process. 10. Combine ideas. Combine and contrast various notions, theories, or scenarios. This may produce inventive and creative results. Participate in role-playing games. Consider oneself in various positions or angles. If you were someone else, how would you tackle a problem? You may be able to view things differently as a result of this. 12. Watch films and read fiction. You are exposed to imaginative worlds and characters when you consume fictional stuff. Examine these tales to see how the authors and producers employed their creativity. 13. Work together by sharing your creative concepts with your friends, coworkers, or online groups. Collaboration might result in concepts that are even more inventive and creative. 14. Take a chance. Don't be frightened to consider bizarre and outlandish concepts. When you're willing to venture outside of your comfort zone, imagination flourishes. 15. Practice regularly. Just like any skill, imagination using skills get better with practice. Your creative thinking will become more natural and flowing as you participate in innovative activities. Keep in mind that imagination knows no bounds. It's about letting go of restrictions and accepting your mind's infinite potential. You'll eventually discover that exercising your imagination improves both your creativity and your view on the world. Like, share, subscribe, comment.